consider an example of a quadratic equation. X squared plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 1 in the left-hand side of the equation. Therefore, left-hand side is 1 squared plus 3 into 1 minus 4, which is 0. Is it equal to the right-hand side? Yes, left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. Now, substitute x is minus 1 in the left-hand side of the equation. What do you get? Left-hand side is minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 4, which is minus 6. Is it equal to right-hand side? No. Left-hand side is not equal to right-hand side. By substituting x is 2, the left-hand side is 2 squared plus 3 into 2 minus 4, which is 6. Is it equal to right-hand side? No. Left-hand side is not equal to right-hand side. By substituting x is minus 2, the left-hand side is minus 6. It is not equal to right-hand side. When x is 3, left-hand side is 14. It is not equal to right-hand side. When x is minus 3, left-hand side is minus 4. It is not equal to right-hand side. When x is 4, left-hand side is 24. It is also not equal to right-hand side. When x is minus 4, left-hand side is 0, which is equal to right-hand side. For which values of the variable x was a quadratic equation satisfied? In other words, for which values of x did we get left-hand side is right-hand side? The given quadratic equation is satisfied for x is 1 and x is minus 4. Therefore, 1 and minus 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. In other words, we can say that x is 1 and x is minus 4 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Can you now define the roots of the quadratic equation? The values of the variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation are called the roots of the quadratic equation. The values of the variable which do not satisfy the equation are not the roots of the equation. In this example, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4 are not the roots of the equation. Students, remember that every quadratic equation can have at most 2 real roots. Let us solve an example to find the roots of the given quadratic equation from the given values of x. X squared plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0 is a given equation. The values of x are given as root 2, minus 7 and 3. We have to find out which of these values are the roots of the equation and which are not. Substituting x is root 2 in the left-hand side of the equation, we get left-hand side is root 2 the whole square plus 5 into root 2 minus 14, which is 5 root 2 minus 12. This is not equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, left-hand side is not equal to right-hand side. Thus, for x is root 2, the equation is not satisfied. Therefore, root 2 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. Now, let us substitute x is minus 7 in the left-hand side of the equation. We get left-hand side is minus 7 the whole square plus 5 into minus 7 minus 14, which is 0. And this is equal to the right-hand side. Therefore, left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. Thus, the equation is satisfied for x is minus 7. Therefore, minus 7 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Substituting x is 3, we get left hand side is 3 square plus 5 into 3 minus 14, which is equal to 10. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Thus, the equation is not satisfied for x is 3. Therefore, 3 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. Let us solve one more problem. If one root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0 is 3, then find the value of k. Since it is given that 3 is the root, the quadratic equation is satisfied for x is 3. Substituting x is 3 in the equation, we get k into 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 12 is equal to 0. On simplifying, we get k is 1. Therefore, the value of k is 1.
Let us do an activity. If one root of the quadratic equation is kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0, is x is equal to 5. Then complete the following activity to determine the value of k. Solution. One root of the equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0 is given as 5. Therefore, let us substitute x is equal to 5 in the above equation. Therefore, k into 5 square minus 14 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k minus 70 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k minus 75 is equal to 0. Therefore, 25k is equal to 75. Therefore, k is equal to 75 upon 25, which is equal to 3. Therefore, answer. The value of k is 3.